Welcome to the Ultimate Side Hustle Guide. In today's world, more people are looking for ways to make extra income, whether it's to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or simply increase their financial freedom. That's where side hustles come in. A side hustle is a great way to earn extra money without leaving your full-time job, and the possibilities are nearly endless. In this video, we'll cover the best side hustle ideas, tips for getting started, and how to manage your time effectively to maximize your success. A side hustle is a secondary job or business that you can do in addition to your main source of income. It's a way to supplement your earnings, learn new skills, and potentially turn a passion or hobby into a money-making opportunity. Side hustles are highly flexible, allowing you to work at your own pace, during your free time, and from virtually anywhere. There are many reasons why people choose to start side hustles, including extra income. One of the most common reasons is to earn more money. Whether it's to pay off student loans, cover unexpected expenses, or build a savings account, a side hustle can provide a financial cushion. Building new skills. Side hustles often involve tasks that are different from your day job, allowing you to expand your skill set. You may even discover new talents that can help you in your career or future business endeavors. Exploring passions. Many people use side hustles as a way to explore their personal interests and hobbies. For instance, if you love photography or writing, you can turn those passions into profitable side gigs. Achieving financial freedom. A successful side hustle can grow into a substantial income stream, providing financial independence. For some, side hustles become full-time businesses, freeing them from the traditional 9-to-5 work life. Choosing the right side hustle for you depends on several factors. Your skills and interests. The best side hustle will align with your strengths and passions. If you enjoy writing, for example, freelancing as a content writer or starting a blog could be perfect. If you're tech-savvy, web development or digital marketing might be the right fit. Your time availability. Consider how much time you have outside of your primary job. Some side hustles require more of a time commitment than others. Gig economy jobs like ride-sharing or food delivery can offer flexible schedules, while freelancing or online businesses may require more consistent hours. Startup costs. Some side hustles require an upfront investment, like starting an e-commerce store or purchasing equipment for a service-based gig. Others, such as offering consulting services, can be started with very little upfront cost. Scalability. If you're hoping to grow your side hustle into something bigger, consider whether it's scalable. Certain side hustles, like blogging or creating online courses, have the potential for passive income and can grow without demanding significantly more of your time. Here are some of the most popular side hustle ideas that are flexible, potentially profitable, and easy to get started with. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most accessible side hustles. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for services like writing, graphic design, social media management, web development, and more. With freelancing, you can work on projects that match your skills, set your own rates, and work on your schedule. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. There are various platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and TutorMe where you can offer lessons in subjects such as math, science, or even foreign languages. With the shift towards online education, this is a booming industry. E-commerce. Starting an online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to vintage items or even dropship products without holding any inventory. E-commerce offers flexibility and the potential for significant earnings if you can identify a niche market. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, consider starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast. Monetization can come from ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Though it can take time to grow your audience, content creation has the potential for passive income once you've built a following. Gig economy jobs. Jobs like driving for Uber, delivering groceries through Instacart, or doing tasks via TaskRabbit are all flexible side hustles that allow you to work whenever you have spare time. These gigs are easy to get started with and don't require any specialized skills. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or social media presence, you can promote other people's products through affiliate marketing. You earn a commission whenever someone purchases a product using your affiliate link. Companies like Amazon, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs. G. Renting out property. If you have extra space, consider renting it out through platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. You can rent out a room, your entire home, or even parking spaces or storage areas for some extra cash. H. Pet sitting or dog walking. For animal lovers, pet sitting or dog walking can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. You can offer your services through platforms like Rover or Wag, and it's an excellent way to make money while spending time with furry friends. While starting a side hustle is exciting, it's important to manage your time and resources effectively to ensure success. Here are some tips to help you along the way. Set clear goals. Before starting, outline your goals. Are you looking to make a specific amount of money each month? Are you hoping to transition your side hustle into a full-time business? Having clear goals will help you stay motivated and focused. B. Manage your time wisely. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job requires good time management. Set aside dedicated hours each week to work on your side hustle, and create a schedule that you can stick to without overwhelming yourself. Tools like Google Calendar or productivity apps can help you stay organized. C. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to growing a successful side hustle. Whether you're freelancing, selling products, or creating content, it's important to show up regularly and deliver quality work. Over time, your efforts will pay off. D. Invest in yourself. If your side hustle requires certain skills, consider investing in courses, tools, or certifications that can help you improve. The more value you can offer, the more you can charge for your services or products. E. Start small and scale up. Don't feel like you need to go all in right away. Start small, test the waters, and gradually scale up as you become more comfortable. Whether it's increasing your freelance clients, expanding your product line, or posting more content, growing slowly can help you avoid burnout. F. Diversify your income streams. One great thing about side hustles is that they can come from multiple sources. If you have a freelancing gig, consider adding an e-commerce shop or affiliate marketing to your income streams. Diversifying your income will help ensure financial stability and more opportunities for growth. While side hustles offer plenty of benefits, there are some challenges to consider. Time management. Balancing a side hustle with your primary job and personal life can be tricky. Make sure you're not overextending yourself. Initial investment. Some side hustles may require upfront costs for equipment, training, or materials. Be prepared for the initial investment before diving in. Work-life balance. It's easy to get caught up in your side hustle, but it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Make time for yourself, your family, and your hobbies outside of work. Side hustles are a fantastic way to achieve financial freedom, explore your passions, and build a future beyond the 9-to-5 grind. Whether you're freelancing, starting an online business, or offering services in your local community, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. Start small, stay focused, and don't be afraid to pivot and try new things. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tips and ideas for side hustles and personal finance. Thanks for watching.